Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We're doing a tech content featuring the Xiaomi Watch 5 worth 18,999. So watch this video and check it out. Ko, yung ating hands-on test with the Xiaomi Watch 5 from Xiaomi Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Okay, check it out guys. This is the Xiaomi Watch 5. Laki, grabe. Comparing to my other watch, no? Ang laki niya, grabe. At saka meron animated siya na screen. I think this is for for doing the biking, you know. So check natin, it has a talk to Google Gemini right on your wrist. Wow, pwede makausap si Google Gemini. Up to 6 days of ultra long life battery, precision gesture control for seamless operation, 1.54 inches AMOLED display with sapphire glass. Oy, advanced health and fitness insights. So check natin to. So ito na nga yung oras no, kasi sa akin kasi is ganun eh. Para tama 8:04 na. So, meron siyang animation na nagba-bicycle. Ba't may nakalagay na go? Ah, okay. So, there's an animated thing na you can play games. You can play games. So, paano ba yun? Ah, okay. Pwede kang mag-games. Oy, grabe. Okay to. Pwede kang mag-games. So, sige nga, i-career nga natin to. Oh, okay. Okay yun ah. Pwede kang maglaro ng game sa watch. Pag naboboard ka. Ayan. Ano natin to? Bumangga na tayo. Tindi, grabe, ang galing. So, yung kanyang bracelet, it's nice, plastic, rubbery thingy. Yung sensor niya, ito yung magnet. Pag magnet charging siya, ito yung style niya, bilog. Pag pinatong mo siya dito, mag-charge yan. Ayan, charging, 100% na siya. At umiilaw kasi naghanap siya ng charging. Ito yung kanyang buttons. Ayan, buttons. For the operations, ayan, meron kang siyang to call on the menus, ayan. Up and down lang pala siya, up and down. Ayan. Grabe, meron siyang YouTube, oh. Parang gagana yung YouTube na yun. Pwede ka manood ng YouTube dito? Loading your account. Ano yun, manood ka ng YouTube? Okay, hindi ko maintindihan, no? It's very nice, no? Ito pala yung parang menu. So, itong kabila, ilalim, it's, for the exercise, for the workout. For the workout. Ah, okay. Ito yung operation niya for the workout. Ito naman, it's going back to the main. And SpO2 sa kabilang side ng screen. Calories. Quick start for the workout. Steps, kung nakailang steps ka na. Gemini, Google Gemini. You can do a voice activation. No? Ayan. Check natin kung gagana si Google Gemini, pero walang account eh, so hindi ito gagana. Okay, wala siyang connection sa internet. Location, heart rate, stats, and that's it. Ito na naman, oh. Bagay na bagay sa akin to. Tsaka gusto ko siya may animation siya. Gusto ko to may animation siya. Very okay siya. Very okay siya. Ganda-ganda Xiaomi Watch 5. Check it out, yo. At ang SRP nito ay, nalimutan ko ng SRP. Wait lang. And the Xiaomi Watch 5 is 18,999. Sobrang ganda, grabe. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. And see you guys at the next video at more tech content tayo from Xiaomi Philippines. Alright.